Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs of environment and basic science. So the first question is, with reference to coalition against wildlife trafficking, consider the following statements. First, it is a voluntary private public coalition that focuses on growing threats to wildlife from poaching and illegal trade. Second, India is a part of this coalition. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you have to tell the correct answer. So, the correct answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So, coalition against wildlife trafficking. So, first and second statements both are correct. And you should know the important environmental organizations, environmental bodies, and national legislation and international legislation as well. So, these are very extremely important topics from UPSC prelims exam point of view, and you should cover this topic from standard sources, and you should prepare these topics extremely well. So this was all about question number 1. So here is question number 2. With reference to Vienna Convention, consider the following statements. First, the Vienna Convention is the first international agreement dedicated to the protection of the ozone layer. Second, the Montreal Protocol under the convention includes a legally binding progressive reduction in the use of chlorofluorocarbons. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So the correct answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So you should know Vienna Convention, what is that, and what are the protocols related to this convention, and what does that protocol says, and what are its contribution in reducing ozone layer depletion. So this was all about question number 2, and you can prepare about other associated topic as well. So about global warming and greenhouse effect, and what are the international steps that has been taken to deal with the problem of ozone layer depletion. So in this way you can prepare that topics. Now let us discuss question number 3. Consider the following statements with respect to the Best Tourism Villages initiative. First, this initiative has been launched by the United Nations World Tourism Organization. Second, recently Telangana's Pochampalli village was selected as one of the best tourism villages in India. So which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option C, both one and two. So actually these both statements are correct about Best Tourism Villages initiative of UNWTO. So likewise you can prepare other important international initiatives also. So this was all about question number 3. So let us discuss question number 4. The National Green Tribunal has a jurisdiction to settle disputes related to which of the following acts? First, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Second, Biological Diversity Act 2002. Third, Public Liability Insurance Act 1991. Fourth, Indian Forest Act 1927. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1, 2 and 3 only. B, 1 and 4 only. C, 2 and 3 only. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to tell the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option C, 2 and 3 only. So NGT has the jurisdiction of Biological Diversity Act and Public Liability Insurance Act. So first and 4 is out of jurisdiction of NGT. So you should know what other acts are under jurisdiction of NGT apart from these second and third act. So you should also know which acts are excluded from its jurisdiction. So likewise you can prepare in either way. So this was all about question number 4, and you should also know other details of NGT. How many members are there? What is the function of NGT? Can judicial member be the chairperson of this NGT? And likewise you can prepare about this topic. So now let us discuss question number 5. Whenever forest land is diverted for non-forest purposes, compensatory afforestation is mandatory under which of the following acts? Option A, Biological Diversity Act 2002. Option B, Forest Conservation Act 1980. Option C, Environment Protection Act 1986. Option D, Indian Forest Act 1927. So you can write down the correct answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option B, Forest Conservation Act 1980. So you should prepare other acts as well, like Biological Diversity Act, Environment Protection Act, Indian Forest Act. So likewise you can prepare that also, and these acts are very important. In every year UPSC asks at least one question from this acts, so you should prepare it holistically. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.